isn't too. Anyway, welcome back. Today we are going a little bit off from regular brunch. However, it's still the same rules, pantry stuff, things you can find at home. Today I'm going to start with making doubles breakfast. It's a Trinidadian dish. It consists of 2 fried pieces of bread with a chickpea stew in the middle, and it's eaten traditionally for breakfast. Traditionally it's a street food, but today we're going to make it a home dish. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is have your dough ready. What I'm doing right now is I'm adding flour, turmeric, and yeast. Some salt in there. Throw in some oil, some water. Make sure it's warm because the instant yeast in there needs to grow. So I'm going to give this a good mix. And if you find the dough a little bit wet, don't be shy, just to add a little bit of flour. It's okay if it's a little bit wet because you want that soft consistency going on in there. Okay, so what you want to do now is transfer that into a clean bowl. And it's supposed to wait in the fridge generally for about 4 hours. But thanks to the miracle of preset meals today, I have pre-made dough made. So after 4 hours, it's going to look a little like this. See, it's still running. Now it's slightly softer than pizza dough, but that's what you're looking for. Just dip that in there. And we're gonna have this guy. Okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to roll out my dough like that. Okay? Like I said, normally it's as big as my hand, but because we're eating this at home, I just like it in slightly smaller forms. That way it makes it easier to eat, easier to plate. So, here we go. I have this going. I have some ahead of time already as it is. You have your oil, which is ready for a shallow fry. And you don't need that much oil. This cooks for about 30-40 seconds. So you can always do that in the very last minute. What I'd like to do right now is the Chana, which is the chickpea stew. A little bit of oil. Finely diced onion and potatoes. Give it a stir. Now you just want this to sweat. We're not trying to brown it. The one big problem I have with a lot of junior cooks is they try and brown every single thing in the pan. But the reality is not everything is about browning. Sometimes you want a light flavor to it, especially when your chickpeas has a curry taste to it. So what I have here right now is, it's a bit of a mess, sorry. 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, fresh turmeric, curry powder, bay leaf, chili flakes. Just toss them in. No need to fine chop. Don't waste time on the small things because at the end of the day, the reality is you're cooking at home. Okay? Now, the onions and potatoes are going to look a little yellow now because of the curry powder, and that's what you want. Okay? Now, throw in your chickpeas, 1 can of chickpeas in. The remaining water that's from your can of chickpeas, just remember, in times like this, nothing goes to waste. Nothing. Chicken stock. Now this was made yesterday for the show. If you don't have any chicken stock, don't be afraid to use the cubes according to how the packet requires you to make it. It's perfectly fine, it won't change anything. Now, while this is going, like I said, it's gonna go for about an hour. Let's work on the dough. There you go. Dip it in. Now, it won't take you that long. It's gonna puff up really quick. Okay? You can see how light and fluffy that is. This is almost done. Go. Now, you can see it's ballooned up a little bit. All right. It's ready. Now, this is really easy to prepare as long as you have things pre-made. The problem to this is sometimes people get intimidated because you make your own dough from scratch. But if you take your time, you're good to go. So anyway, this will take an hour. I'm not going to wait for that. I have some, as usual, pre-made. What I'm going to do right now, take 2 doubles, and smother it. Don't be shy. There we go. Now, normally, people don't eat like a sandwich. But like I said, we're home. We don't have to walk and eat like a sandwich. We can just take our time. Now, there you go. That is doubles. Looks a little bland. I know it's unhealthy. So, to not feel bad about it or to not feel guilty about it, you need to justify it in your head. So what do? Fruit salad on the side. Now it doesn't look so bad, does it? And then, to give it that traditional breakfasty thing, you just put like orange juice next to it, and voila! It looks like a cereal commercial right now. And there you have it, Chana for breakfast, or doubles for breakfast with fruit salad and orange. Anyway, thanks for joining us. I hope this is the third episode, and I'll see you then. Have a good day.